I was a health intern at Israel, and with Israel I was deployed to Moldova as part of the response to the Ukraine refugee crisis.
As part of my internship with IsraAid, I was sent to Mayfield, Kentucky in the United States shortly after they had a series of really awful tornadoes.
My internship was with an organization called SmartAid, and their goal is to bring disaster technology into the aid world in order to help have better outcomes. And so what we were doing in Moldova and Poland was setting up smart classrooms for Ukrainian students.
As part of that internship, working with the organization IsraAid, I was able to go to the field and work in an extension of the Ukraine crisis on the Romania side.
Master's program in Emergency and Disaster Management is aimed at developing the future leaders in emergency preparedness and emergency management, achieving a safer and more resilient society both in Israel and worldwide.
I was able to look at things we talked about in class, such as ethical problems, and see them played out directly in my time working in the field, as well as apply project management tools and techniques we'd learned in class.
Walking in to any situation and always asking first what is needed and what can be done to help, and being able to engage in that dialogue not only promotes their resilience, but it also means that what I'm doing is actually going to help them.
We allow our students to meet with policymakers, decision makers, visit sites of operation centers, and in the current year of 2022, due to the varied disasters that occurred worldwide, our students also were deployed as part of humanitarian organizations in varied locations, whether it was Poland, Moldova, Romania, Ukraine, and more.
As a doctor, you usually choose a residency after university, and for me this was just to confirm what I have chosen to do in the humanitarian action arena.
One of the things we needed to do was think on our feet and be creative, and it taught me how to do that in a high-pressure situation. And I think that was a very valuable thing that I'll take with me.